back with today's new video of Jeepney Part 2. How do I get out of this here? Guys, sino magsumasakay sa akong jeepney? Sino magsumasakay sa akong jeepney po?
Who wants to 1v1? Who wants to 1v1? Me.
Not me, not me.
Okay, who's your opponent? Choose your opponent.
Your opponent is my jeepney.
Okay, class, please. No, you fight here. Fight you.
Guys, sino magsumasakay sa akong jeep? Who wants to ride my jeep? Hoy, si Shanghai girl, sumasakay sa akong jeepney. Okay po, sumasakay na ka sa akong jeepney po. Si Shanghai girl, sumasakay na sa akong jeepney po. Jeepney is now going to barn.
Daba ng chicken. I'm gonna gamble.
Let's go gambling. Hey guys, I just got my first customer. Nice!
Wow, 70.
Wow, may ano dito, flying train. Oh, flying train. Bye-bye. I'm going to the flying train now po.
I just popped all the balloons. Well, I just popped all the balloons. You Linus, bro, what's up? No.
Guys, I just realized I think my jeepney is gonna upgrade.
What's up, po?
What's not up po?
Sorry. What's up, po?
Bumpy road po.
I'm sorry, po. I'm just trying to
I like blue.
Yo, Naka po, what's up, Naka po? Wait, Naka po, join. Naka po, just join. It's so scary. Sabi ko na lang, nagsikilan yung ng
When will the next train arrive po?
in 12 minutes po. Oh, man. Helicopter. Yeah. Thank you po. Thank you po. Okay.
Guys, who wants my jeepney? Who wants my jeepney?
I'm gonna... Never mind. You know, I was going to survive.
Here's a free jeepney.
Yo! Aliens, bro. Oh, aliens are gonna kill us. Yo! There's a snow guy that I spawned. Wow.
Anong small guy? Bro, where is this next train po? I need it.
I'm in the next train. No. You know,
Hey, Ate Lee, I need that train, okay? I need that for my new business because my jeepney is not doing good today. Ate Lee, where's the jeepney po? Where's the jeepney po? Where's the jeepney po? I mean. Oi, train, stop po! Stop! Oi, yes, I got you po.
Wait, Linus, you wanna
No!
Found it. Wait, I'm gonna make a car. Wait, hold on, look. Linus. Come here, bro. Okay, I'm gonna make a car. This is so good, bro. Hey, you You're fat. Look at your green. You're green, bro. Okay, nice. So Linus, watch this, bro. What's this? Hey! Don't let me drive my car.
How to get a car in this game? How to get a car in this game po? It's just the Linus. Where's the train? Where's the train?
I'm in the train. Flying car.
Hoy, train! Guys, I'm at the next stop. I'm at the next stop. Hoy, yes! Yes! Yes. Don't fling me, okay? Don't fling me, okay?
Wow, I'm on the train.
Pink. Guys, sumasakay na dito sa akong train, jeepney. Sumasakay na sa akong train na jeepney po. Ay po, how's the jeepney experience po? Po. Sorry po.
Oh, I'm getting on the train. I'm chasing the train.
No.
I got home.
What? No! Sorry po. Sorry po, Ate Lay. Sorry.
Okay lang, okay.
Train going to station. Sumasakay na ka. Sumasakay po, sumasakay.
I go to the train!
Hey po, please no flinging on board this train.
Goodbye.
Bro screamed. Thank you po.
I'm a terrorist.
You're a what?
I'm gonna be a terrorist.
Hoy, no boom boom on the train, sir. No boom booms. Po! Bawal yan po! Ay, nako, mga terrorist. I'm gonna get on the train! Po, wait for me. I'm at the next stop po. Wait, Alonso, I want to control the train, please. Come back. Come back po. Hi po. No flinging or else no skin case.
Wait, Madeline. We're on the train.
Wait, I'm waiting for the train.
The train's sa taas. Ano daw?
Where's the train po?
Right here.
Where?
Oh, see.
Saan po?
I'm stopped.
Po. Let me control the train, please. Po. Yes, you're here. Okay, I found the choo-choo. I found the choo-choo train. I can't get in.
What is that, hole?
No, I found.
Wow.
He wants to ride the choo-choo train. The train has arrived to its destination. Hi, po. Would you like to sumasakay?
Okay, you want the car?
Let's go po. Wait, it's not moving for me. How? Po! No! Po, the train can't come back. Ah! Guys, we are on the tracks.
Crouch under the gong. Crouch under the gong.
Hi po.
Why did you get the gong? You picked
Are you controlling this or not? Nisha, are you controlling this train or not?
No.
No? Okay, free food on the train. Free food. Ah! Okay, there's no more food po. What are you holding? What are you holding po? Guys, I don't have any room for more recordings. So see you next time. Like and subscribe if you want part 3. Bye!